Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss question number 94 of AP EAMCET 20. 1 kg of steam at 150 degrees Celsius is passed from steam chamber into a copper coil immersed in 20 liters of water. With this figure it will be very clear. That is, there is a coil from which steam is passed at 150 degrees Celsius and this coil is immersed in water which is 20 liters. Okay. Now the steam condenses in the coil and is returned to the steam chamber as water at 90 degrees Celsius. It means that the steam is leaving here with 90 degrees Celsius and the water is condensed. It means that here latent heat is used. Now the latent heat of steam is given, that is 540 calories per gram, which is equals to 540 calories per gram. Now specific heat of the steam is also given, that is 1 calorie, that is Cp is equals to 1. Now then the rise in temperature of water is, we have to find the change in the temperature, that is delta T. Hope the question is clear now. Now we know that heat lost by steam plus latent heat is equals to heat gain. Okay. Now heat lost by the steam is given by mCp dt plus LH, which is equals to mCp delta T. We have to find this delta T. This total term is for steam and this is for water. Okay. Now M is given, that is 1 kg of steam times Cp is given, that is also 1, into delta T is 150 degrees minus 90 degrees plus latent is given, that is 540, which is equals to mass of water is 20, Cp will be 1 times, we have to find delta T. Now 150 minus 90, it will be 60 plus 540, which is equals to 20 times of dt. 60 plus 540, it will be equals to 600, which is equals to 20 times delta T. Now if I take this 22 LHS, it will become 600 upon 20, which is equals to delta T. Now if I cancel out this one, it will be 30, which is equals to delta T. Here, that is delta T is equals to change in temperature. That is our answer. In the same way, Unacademy is also offering the courses on TS and AP EAMCET. You can watch classes there and you can use the free practice test available on their app. That is, you can practice daily 20 T20 tests which is available on Unacademy app. But remember that when you install Unacademy app, don't forget to enter our referral code. What is the benefit of entering our referral code? So that is, you can get free access to the classes, plus you can get 10% instant discount if you purchase plus courses. So remember our code, that is SADBUBIDDA. Okay, this is our referral code. You can enter our referral code to get instant 10% discount and you can watch there and you can watch free classes on Unacademy app. These free practice tests are started on 2nd of November. You can still practice those questions which are previously asked. When you enter into Unacademy free test page, it will be looking like this. You can, after answering, you will be getting the total report, that in which topic you are weak and which topic is your strongest zone and who is the topper of that quiz. All the details you will be getting so that your preparation will be boosted. So I request you to install Unacademy app and enter our referral code. So thank you for watching the video. Please share with your friends.